day. To celebrate the occasion, Chef Frigo and I are going to be making brasato, which is in English braised beef. We're going to serve it with some beautiful carrots and a nice portion of polenta on the side. Do you like my ears? Thought I'd get a little bit, festive for the occasion. Right, take us through the ingredients we need to make brasato. Brasato.
So here we have 1 kilo of beef brisket, 1 large onion diced, 4 carrots mirepoix, some rosemary and sage, 50 grams of butter, sale, olive oil, and some shiraz.
Side note, our jug broke, so this is a temporary solution to our jug. All right, Chef Frigo, are you ready?
Yes, let's go. Put a little bit of olive oil there. Now we can add the butter. Put the butter helps the caramelization of the carrots and onions.
Now the butter has melted nicely, we're going to add in the onion, stir that in.
Yep.
Carrots in as well. We'll let these cook together for around 8 minutes. We can chop up our rosemary and sage now.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got our brasato that we're going to put our olive oil over on top. Put it on both sides, all over.
Put a little bit of flake salt. You can use normal salt. Just add this one. Go heavy with salt. Dante, are you interested?
Put our sage and rosemary on top. Marinated all over. Carrots are caramelizing nicely. You can add in sage and rosemary. Alright, so we've got our hot pan and we're going to transfer our brasato, our braised beef over. We're going to cook the beef on each side till it reaches a nice brown colour. So it's approximately 3 minutes. And we're going to flip it to each side until all sides have been cooked. And then we're going to transfer it to the pot. Okay?
Now we're going to flip it.
Wow, look at that. Do you want some? Can you smell it? And you want some too? So we flipped it over again.
So now that it's caramelized on each side, we're gonna move it onto the carrots pot. So we're gonna make a little bit of space like that for the meat to go in the middle, and we're gonna put a nice piece of meat in the middle like that. Now here, there is all this nice caramelized stuff on the spot. We're gonna pour the wine here, and with the spatula we're gonna scrap it all around, so all the flavors that the meat left in the pot, they're gonna go back in there. Just gonna
Pour it on top.
mix a little bit. The meat, we're gonna flip it during the cooking, so the part underneath is not gonna burn. And we're gonna leave it on super low heat, super low, for 3 to 4 hours.
What are we going to do now?
Mangiare cioccolata!
Just an update on how it's going. It's been about an hour and a half. And while we're waiting for our lunch to cook, let's give Chef Frigo his present. What did you get? Open your present.
Lint European. A present for me that is actually for you.
Wow! A jigsaw puzzle for cat lovers. How cute! Your other present hasn't arrived because of
other present.
So 4 hours have passed and now it's ready to assess the braised beef. I think it's looking really good. Let's have a look. Yum! That's looking lovely. How beautiful.
Now I'm gonna move the brisket, that, and I'm gonna reduce a little bit more the sauce here. Check if the meat is ready. With this one, it's a plastic top. You just call it that, and it easy goes through. And I'm gonna cover it with some aluminium just to keep it warm.
So now we're gonna start cooking the polenta. Such a good, easy recipe. I love it. Chef Rigo loves it because it's a polentone from northern Italy. The correct way to make polenta is always starting with hot water. Never start making the polenta with cold water. We have our boiling salted water here. We're going to slowly add the polenta to the boiling water.
So we're gonna slowly add like that, and with a whisk, we'll mix like that. It doesn't have to be very tasty or super seasoned because usually it goes with something else. In this case, we're gonna have braised beef on top and all the sauce. So if this one would be too tasty, we'd go and cover the
Braised beef taste.
the braised beef taste.
Thickened up really quickly.
So we're gonna cook it for around 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. You can see the polenta has thickened up.
Now we're going to transfer the braised beef to a chopping board so we can slice it to serve.
So now I'm gonna slice it. I'm gonna slice pieces like that. If you want, you can give us a nice big portion. It's up to you. So what we're gonna do with the polenta, a nice big spoon in the middle, like that. We're gonna make like a
Well,
well. Like that. Okay. In the middle. We're gonna put a nice sauce on top, and those ones they're gonna season and make the polenta tasty.
okay, so there we have it. Beautiful well of polenta served with braised beef, brasato on top, brasato con le carote. That's our delicious, mouth-watering Easter lunch. Now I know how to make a mouth-watering brasato alle carote, braised beef with carrots. So now we're ready. You didn't even wait for me. Well, we know it's strange that we're not celebrating Easter with our parents or grandparents. It's good that we've got a delicious meal to enjoy anyway. Make sure you tell us in the comments what you've eaten for Easter and anything special you've done today.
Bye bye.